Happy New Year. Happy 2023. Can you believe that it is a new year and that we are actually saying 2023? Happy New Year, everyone. I cannot believe how fast time is flying by. And just thinking about different things today. And one thing that I'm so happy, I'm so grateful for is that 2022 was our 30th year of being in business. And I have to thank all of our loyal customers for the 30 years, for all of you letting us plan your vacations year after year. So thank you so much. It just means so much to myself and all of us here at Nationwide Cruises and Vacations for the 30 years. So happy New Year and thank you so much. I don't know what 2023 is going to bring us, but I've only got a positive outlook and I cannot wait to see, what another great year that you are going to have and that we are going to have as well. So happy New Year, my friends. Thank you to all of our loyal customers for the past 30 years. Now let's go make 2023 one of the best years ever. But for now, I am going to say bon voyage, and I will see you back soon for more travel updates.